Hello everyone, my name is Vishal and in today's video we are discuss about how I do SEO in our NoteSea project. So this is our NoteSea project. So as you know we are providing free notes and paid services in this, and for this I do an SEO. So when you search NoteSea, so our website are rank on top. This is our website and this is on top. So how I do this? I use React helmet keyword. So I give there a title, description or keywords, some keywords. So I share it with my VS Code. I hope you can visible it. So there I do like this, meta title के अंदर title, description and keyword. So this is how I done the SEO of our NoteSea project. So on the other hand, if you give me some suggestions, you can message me on LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn ID and this is our NoteSea Instagram page. And if you want to give some advice or some suggestions, you can give on this page also. And this is our YouTube account. So this is for this video. Thank you.